Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at Spa coin. So I have covered this coin so many times, but I will be covering this again because of some update which they have coming up. So first of all, this is the trade setup from my last video. As you can see, we had a pretty good breakout. So first of all, I will just go over the updates and see some on-chain analysis and on who is buying and what's going on. So first of all, if we look at their Twitter, they do not have anything going on beside this one. So they had an AMA on Demeter 2.0, which they are launching soon. We'll look at that, what that is. First of all, in terms of news on their Medium, they have nothing. So they do have something on their Substack, which is their newsletter, as you can see here. So they launched this newsletter on 28th Feb, as you can see. So it is called the Meter 2.0 is coming. So basically it was a liquidity mining incentive protocol. It was supposed to be the biggest one on the Arbitrum, but it failed actually. So they did have a partnership with GMX, Forex and other one, but now they are launching the second version, which is called 2.0. So first of all, they have some new fixed APR forms which are basically which will help it get more users, I think. So they also have some new other integrations. So this is pretty big. I think this may be able to help Sparcoin make a new high. So this is the update which is worth looking into. So in terms of where it will come, if we look at their roadmap, I think they do have it planned. So this is their roadmap, as you can see here. So it is supposed to come, I think, in February or even March. So yes, so it will be released in a March. As you can see, they have said that it will be released in a March. So we have to wait and see what will happen. So basically this will be their 2.0 update for the protocol. And as of now, Demeter has TVL of 1.44, as you can see here, and I think it may improve once we have 2.0 Demeter. So that is pretty good. So this is a update worth waiting for, and this could be the reason why Spark could pump. So let's look at the other things. So let's look at some of the on-chain analysis. So this is basically a Uniswap version 3, and as you can see here, there has been a lot of buying happening. So these are the users which are buying, as you can see out. And we have what do we have, 59k. We do have good sellers, but we also have a good buying going on, as you can see here. So let's look at the top holders. So as you already know, that KuCoin wallet, we cannot check that one because it has some issues. It only shows the KuCoin one. So let's look at the Coinbase, who is buying from the Coinbase. So if we look here, we have a lot of buying happening. 3 hours ago, out. 4 hours ago, out. So let's look at the biggest buyers. So this guy bought around 4.8 million, and this one bought around 2.4 million, which is pretty good. So this one even bought 5.6 million, which is pretty high. So let's see. So this guy has been buying. He also around 45 million Sparcoin, and he has been buying, and I think he has been holding. Yes, he has been holding. So let's look at it, another one. So this guy, he also around 45 million. He's also holding. Even this one, he has around 5.6 million, and he is holding as well. So as you can see, there is a lot of buying happening, and we also have another 1.1 million. Yes, so 1 million. So let's see, this guy has been doing buying here, and so he is buying on KuCoin and selling. He is buying from Coinbase and selling on KuCoin. So he is arbitrage trader, I believe. But we have a lot of buying happening, as you can see. That means that there could many traders could be expecting this Demeter 2.0 update, and it could happen big because as you can see here, all of it happened around this happened now 1 day ago, and this was in this happened around two days ago. So the newsletter came around 2 or 3 days ago, I think. So this is the buying which is happening on its speculation. So let's look at the price. So first of all, as you can see here, I said if we break this trend line we could go up. So we did break this trend line and it broke out and the pump was pretty good. And after that the sellers came in and they started selling. So the entry point which which I said on the previous video was here. So as you can see here, it was still valid. So it did come down here, but we did not get the entry unfortunately, because it only touched this trend line and it went back up. But as of now we do have an entry here. So if we look here and expand this one, so as you can see here, we have a perfect entry here and it went up. So I think it will probably go down again, because we never know, we don't know as of now when the when the update will come. So I think we may be able to get this entry. So this demand zone has yet to get filled around here, and I think this could be the best entry as of now for the Spark coin around here, or this one also could happen, so around here. So these are the two entry points which I'm looking at as of now. If we are able to get these, I think we could sell higher. So where could it go if the update does come out and there is a high demand for it? And I think obviously this is the biggest resistance which needs to cross around 0.014, which is a pretty big actually. But if it does not happen, but as of now it looks pretty bad, because as you can see here, this downtrend seems to be holding strong. So we need to break this downtrend as well. So if we are able to break this downtrend, and if we are able to get into here and this downtrend gets broken, I think we could go higher, even higher. So this is another downtrend which needs to be broken to go higher, but it may or may not happen, so you have to be careful with that. But in terms of price potential, I think this level could still happen again. So this it has tested this resistance 2 times, which it made double top, and it has been going down, and I think it has been making okay. So if we look here, there is a very interesting pattern here. So it has been making this trend line around here. So I just noted this one. So it has been making this trend line, which is pretty interesting. I just saw this one. So yes, I think this trend line hold pretty well, and I think if it comes back here and goes down and breaks this one, I think we could be heading higher. So that is a pretty good trend line which has been holding well in the uptrend. As you can see here, this uptrend has been the low was here and the low was higher and the low is even higher. So I think this is a pretty good chance for it to go up if it breaks out from here. So this was it. This was the update about Spark coin. I hope you liked it. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.